Hi students, problem number 8. The reflected light is found to be plane polarized when an unpolarized light falls on a denser medium at 60 degree with the normal. Find the angle of refraction and critical angle of incidence for total internal reflection in the denser to rarer medium reflection. Okay. So it is very clearly given that when unpolarized light falls on a medium, it is getting plane polarized, for which the angle of incidence is what? 60 degree. So the angle of polarization IP is equal to 60 degree. So we have studied Malus and Brewster's explanation about polarization by reflection at polarizing angle. At polarizing angle, that is IP equal to 60 degree. If you add IP plus 90 plus RP, the total angle will be equal to 180 degree. So this is the angle of refraction corresponding to the polarizing angle. So IP plus RP is equal to 180 minus 90 will become 90. Okay, 180 minus 90 is 90. Therefore, what is R polarization is equal to 90 minus IP. So this is equal to 90 minus 60. We have to substitute. So we get the angle of refraction at the polarizing angle is equal to 30 degree. So we have found the angle of refraction. Now what next is the critical angle of incidence. Okay. So sine of I critical is equal to 1 by mu. This expression we are going to use. For that, what we require is the mu. Is it not? So from Brewster's law, we can determine the refractive index of the medium once we know the angle of polarization. So mu is equal to tan of IP. So that is equal to tan of 60 degree. So tan 60 is equal to what? Root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. So sin IC is equal to 1 by mu. So in place of mu, I have to substitute what? Root 3. So this is equal to 1 by root 3. So this is equal to 1 divided by 1.732, and that is equal to 0.577. So sin IC is equal to 0.577. Okay, therefore the critical angle of incidence is equal to sine inverse of 0.577. So this is found to be 35.24 degree. Okay, so this problem is very important for Tamil Nadu State Board examination, which is asked for 3 marks. So here only one information is given, that is light is polarized when it is incident at an angle 60. So clearly it is angle of polarization. So from this the angle of refraction can be determined. And by using Brewster's law, we can find the refractive index of the medium. Then the condition for total internal reflection is sin IC is equal to 1 by mu. Understand? So from this we got the answer. Critical angle of incidence is 35.24 degree. That is the answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.